Hey y'all, IrixGuy here, and this is how to cook bacon. Now the first step is to put some butter or margarine in the skillet, and after you do that, what you're going to want to do is melt it. So I put it up to about a little bit below medium heat on my stove, and as it melts, you just kind of want to swirl it around and coat the skillet. So now that the butter is pretty much melted, what I did is I put the bacon in here. It's very important. Use tongs like I'm using, because you don't want something that's going to scratch your skillet. Because if you do that in the future when you cook bacon, it's going to stick. It's not going to cook right. So it's very important to protect your cookware. And you can find the tongs like I use and the skillet like I use. Just expand this video's description and then click the link there, and you can find it all there. Tongs make it easy to flip the bacon. What we're going to do is let it cook on this side for a little bit, and then we're going to flip it over. A lot of people like different degrees of doneness with bacon. I like it really crispy, and what we're going to do within this video is achieve that crispy bacon result. So we've been cooking for a little bit now. I'm going to go ahead and flip. See how easy it is to grab the bacon with the tongs and flip it over. I like to flip my bacon periodically, because if you don't, you're going to get one side kind of burnt, and you don't want that. Also worth mentioning, again, just a reminder, this skillet is a little bit below medium heat. You don't want to get it too hot, because if you get it too hot, you're going to burn everything. Not only are you going to burn your bacon, but you're going to you're probably going to burn your skillet, and you're probably going to make smoke, and that could set off your smoke detectors and all kinds of stuff. So again, medium heat. This is not a race. You want to take your time and just cook the bacon properly. So we're going to let it sit here and cook on this side for a little bit, and then we're going to flip it again. Just repeat this process. Again, grabbing it with your tongs, repeating the process of flipping it over until we get the desired degree of doneness for our bacon. And see, now we're starting to see a little bit of brownness on the edges of the bacon. And again, we'll just continue to flip the bacon. And again, we're not in a hurry. We just want to take our time, and we want to cook some delicious bacon. So just continue to monitor and flip periodically. One word of caution: watch out for that popping bacon grease, man, because that stuff pop and burn you. But see, now you can see the coloration's really starting to get there. This is starting to look like bacon. So again, flip periodically, and let's just proceed and let's make some great bacon, y'all. So that's the finished product, and again, it's a matter of personal preference. This may be a little bit more done than you want it to be. You can see I've got some pretty dark coloration towards the middle. But again, a matter of personal preference. Just to reiterate, be sure to flip periodically. Be sure to not have your temperature too high, because if you have your temperature too high, again, you're probably going to burn the bacon, and you're probably going to create smoke, and you may damage your cookware as well. So this is how to cook bacon. I hope this video provided value. Again, expand this video's description, and then click the link there, and you can find where to order the tongs like I used, the skillet like I used. And guys, I gotta I gotta eat this, man. Now, if some people, they get this, and before they eat it, they pat it off with like a paper towel, but I'm just gonna enjoy that bacon grease, man. Crunchy. So good. Be sure to subscribe, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.